and welcome to our Facebook Live Friday, the one right before our big break to go eat. So today we're going to be, just hold on one moment.
It says live. Oh, we got a viewer.
Yay. Yeah, it's not letting me join it. So we're going to be decorating wine bags, getting you ready to join those holiday parties. Because what's more perfect to show up with a beautiful bag with an awesome drink inside of it to get everybody wound up. So don't forget your pressing pillows. We're going to need that today. You're going to need your wine bags.
And this is the sleeve or leg pressing pillow.
And what are these made out of? Do you know?
It's like canvas tote, kind of. Does it have a little tag inside?
You can see the comments, right?
Yeah.
It's
All right,
made
well, I'm
in
going to leave it
China.
down.
Yep. Teresa's here. Says hello. Butch is here. We're good.
All right.
Yay!
So we're going to be working with Siser HTV heat transfer vinyl, glitter vinyl, 20-inch. Check it out. We have so many different colors, and it's so festive and creative. So right now are we going to do the layering one, or are we going to do cheers?
We'll do the easy one first, so the non-layering one.
So we're going to do cheers, because it's fun to toast your drink that you drink.
All right. Cheryl says happy holidays. She had an awesome year. It's great to hear. Brian says hello. Karen's saying hey, ladies.
Hello, lady.
Yeah, every morning.
So
Merry
here it is
Christmas,
lined
Jerry.
up. Have it ready to press. Once again, we're using the leg and sleeve pressing pillow. It comes in the set. Item number SFPP, Sam Frank Paul, which is weird because it's really not an item number.
No.
It's like an item
Letters.
alphabet letters.
Patty's here and she shared. Thanks for sharing.
We're at 320 for 12 seconds.
And don't forget your nonstick sheet. And there's other ways to design as well, and we'll talk more about that in a little bit. Let's see the wonderful creation.
So easy and just so simple.
Yes. And now we got twinsies.
Well,
Sounds
hello
like
from
his and
Missouri.
her cheers bags.
Very cute.
All right,
So
let's
the-
do the other one.
Yeah, the next one we're going to do is a little bit of a doozy because we're going to be layering. So we're going to have 1, 2, and then top it off with the beautiful star.
Nice trash can there, Danielle.
Did you see that?
I did. It was more off camera, but well, it's fine.
But she knew. Because I don't have a trash can over here.
Ever. Fernando's from Illinois saying happy holidays.
Happy
So we'll do
holidays.
this one first. That looks straight, right?
Yes, I don't even show Jesse.
As we all jump in.
That's good.
Looks good to
That
me.
looks good.
Okay. So first layer.
Once again, HTV Siser glitter vinyl 20-inch. We're at 320 for about 12 seconds. But we're doing layers, so you want to hit the first layer for a shorter amount of time.
because it's on there. And then we're going to layer the other part.
And then the more times you press, the better it'll stick on there anyway.
Yes. And plus, by your last one, you're going to give it that full amount of press time. Oh, by the way, I drove by a store, and their snowflakes were
Up and down.
I was gonna try to take a picture.
So, and then that's the rest of it. So let's go ahead and press it.
We'll get a close-up once it's fully done. Just everybody joining in. Merry Christmas from Texas, Wisconsin, Illinois. We got everybody all over today. No questions
Happy holidays,
so far.
everybody.
Thank you for joining in, because I know some of you are probably
Mad
busy,
dashing.
busy.
Yeah, getting last-minute shopping, baking, cooking, all that good stuff. All right.
Super nice. Oh, I love that one.
Oh, I like that red. That's so glittery and awesome.
And Siser
Just
has
dorky
like
shoes.
3 colors of green. So this is the light green, and then this was emeralds. And then they have like a Christmas green. So we didn't use the Christmas green, which would have been a good idea. But that was like Crayola green. But these are like really nice colors. Like you don't have to always go festive green.
Right.
You know, you can go for the emerald, the kind of bluish tinty green, and it looks really pretty.
And you don't always have to go with vinyl. So as you can see with this one, we use rhinestones. And these are already created, already on the website, already ready to go. We have a variety of designs
Look how pretty he
that you can
looks.
choose from. And not just for the holidays, so you can always check that out too for other occasions.
Oh, Carrie's making last-minute T-shirts for the grandkids in Utah.
Oh, nice.
Okay, any questions?
Nope, everybody just checking in. We have Long Island, Michigan, Kansas, Kentucky.
Wow.
We really have almost all the 50 states covered today.
Yes.
But yeah, no questions. Everybody just saying happy holidays, looks awesome, and that's about it.
Okay, well, with
All
this
right.
one, we're keeping it short but sweet and tasty.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Gonna go
joining
take
us
this.
today. You can always go and share this. And we just wanted to say from Pro World to you guys,
Yes.
happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.